The handbook is your source of truth when it comes to course requirements. The handbook can be accessed directly by entering the URL on screen or via the handbook link on the student portal. Your study plan in eStudent may differ from the handbook, so it's essential that you check the handbook for your course requirements. If you are a current student, you may also need to check your personalised study plan for your course requirements. Details on this have been sent to your student email address. The handbook is also a helpful tool if you want unit information. Once you have access to the handbook, you can find your course information in a number of ways. You can enter the course name in the search bar. Click on the faculty name and look through all of the courses for that faculty. Click on the Advanced Search button, where you can then search via course component, for example a major, or unit. Once you have found your course, you can add the course to your list for future reference. The example we will look at today is the Bachelor of Commerce. Some of the key features which will be displayed on the course handbook page include the amount of credit points it takes to complete, noting that most units are worth 10 credit points. So for this course, you will need to complete 24 units to graduate. The faculty who oversees your course. You may need this information if you wish to seek academic or program advice later on. The course type. This information will help you determine if your course requires a major or specialisation, as well as whether it is an undergraduate or postgraduate degree. You will also find the learning outcomes of your course. If you refer to the course structure section, you will see a detailed list of the units that must be completed within your course. You can see that your course has a core zone. The core zone contains the units which are essential and must be completed to qualify with your degree. You can expand each of the drop-downs within the core zone to view the required units and any optional units. Some courses will also have a major or specialisation. If you expand the major or specialisation section, you can view a list of available majors or specialisations within your course. We would recommend that you open this in a new tab, as you will need to refer to the course handbook page as well as the major or specialisation page. You can also add this page to your list. Some courses will also have a flexible zone. As you may know, the flexible zone contains elective units. It will specify the amount of credit points that can be used towards these elective units. It is important that you read the course notes section. If you are in an undergraduate or bachelor degree, this section will tell you the maximum amount of units that you can complete at 1000 level and any other rules for your course. The handbook can also be used to view unit information. You can either search for a unit by entering the unit code or title, or alternatively, you may click on the Advanced Search button and then click on Unit. A column will appear that allows you to filter for a specific unit. This is especially useful if you are looking for units that are available in a specific study period or within a particular faculty. Once you have found the unit you are looking for, you will notice the unit page contains some similar information to the course handbook page. For example, here we have the unit ACCG 1001. We can see the following: the credit point value of the unit, the faculty that owns the unit, an overview of the content that is covered in the unit, the department that is offering the unit, when the unit is offered. For example, this unit is offered in Session 1 and Session 2, and any requisites that may need to be completed before you can enrol into the unit. As you can see, the handbook is an essential tool when planning out your enrolment at Macquarie University. If you need extra support with enrolment, make sure you check out our enrolment tutorial videos or contact our friendly Student Connect team.